Welcome to our channel. Today we how to access your Wells Fargo online banking step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or launch the Wells Fargo app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you continue. In the browser, type Wells Fargo.com in the address bar and press enter. Check that you see the correct Wells Fargo website and a secure lock icon in the address bar. Find the Sign On section on the home page or tap Sign On in the app. Click or tap the username field and enter your Wells Fargo username. Click or tap the password field and enter your password carefully. If you are on a private device, you can choose Save Username only if you feel it is safe. If you are on a public or shared device, do not select any option that saves your login details. Click or tap the Sign On button to continue. If you are asked for extra verification, choose how you want to receive the code, like text message or email. Enter the verification code exactly as received, then submit it to proceed. If prompted to trust the device, select this only on your personal device. After signing in, confirm you are on your account summary or overview screen. To view a checking or savings account, select the account name from the list. To see recent transactions, scroll down within the selected account page. To search for a specific transaction, use the search or filter option if available. To check your current balance, look for the posted balance and available balance fields. To transfer money between your accounts, choose Transfer and Pay or Transfer from the menu. Select the From Account, select the To Account, enter the amount, and choose the date. Review the transfer details and confirm to submit the transfer. To pay a bill, go to Bill Pay and select the payee you want to pay. Enter the payment amount, choose the delivery date, and confirm the payment. To download statements, open Statements and Documents and choose the statement period you need. To update your contact details, go to Profile or Security Settings and edit your information. To change your password, open Security Settings, choose Password, and follow the prompts. When you are finished, find the Sign Off or Log Out option and click or tap it. Close the browser tab or the app after logging out, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.